Unlock a powerful new income stream by merging AI, expert content creation, and a massive online audience through affiliate marketing and Medium. This tutorial will show you exactly how to leverage ChatGPT to create compelling articles, seamlessly integrate affiliate links, and tap into the vast reader base of Medium.com to earn commissions. Step 1. Brainstorm a niche and identify affiliate products. Think about topics you're passionate about or have some knowledge in then. Search for affiliate programs related to your niche, such as those for eco-friendly clothing brands, sustainable home goods, or digital tools for greener living. Your goal is to find products that genuinely solve a problem or offer value to potential readers. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content in ChatGPT. Craft a detailed prompt outlining the topic, keywords you want to include, and the target audience for your article. For example, you could ask it to write a comprehensive blog post about the benefits of choosing sustainable fashion, targeting environmentally conscious millennials, and including sections on material sourcing and ethical production. Review and refine the AI-generated text, adding your unique voice and ensuring accuracy. Remember, AI is a tool. You are the editor. Step 3. Strategically integrate your affiliate links. Once your article is polished, it's time to weave in your affiliate links naturally. Don't just dump links. Make them relevant to the content. If you mention a specific sustainable clothing brand, link out to their affiliate program. If you discuss eco-friendly cleaning products, link to those. Ensure your links are placed where a reader would naturally want to learn more or make a purchase. Step 4. Publish on Medium and promote. Create a free account on Medium.com. Format your article professionally, using engaging headings, subheadings, and visuals. Choose relevant tags to increase discoverability. Then hit publish. Don't stop there. Share your Medium article on social media, in online communities, or through your email list to drive traffic to your content and consequently your affiliate offers. Consistently repeating these steps, finding products, using ChatGPT for content, smart linking, and promoting on Medium will build your authority and generate passive income over time. Start today and watch your affiliate marketing efforts flourish.